Is email marketing dead? The digital marketing landscape continues to shift quickly, and so it's easy to establish why some people are asking whether email marketing is dead. Global email users, according to statistics, will grow from 3.9 billion in 2019 to 4.5 billion in 2024. As such, more than half of the world's population will be using email. Hence, it's a channel that you may not ignore in 2021 and even beyond. The question then becomes, how do you get the best out of email marketing as a strategy? Hello everybody, Alvin Manasan here, and in this video, we'll talk about the best practices in email marketing, as well as those prior marketing practices that need to go. Listen on to learn those email marketing skills that you should master. Like and subscribe for more videos on lead generation. Email marketing still remains very relevant. Email marketing is among the oldest channels in the digital marketing space and remains well and alive. Email is considered the best way of reaching potential customers with 3.9 billion users around the globe. We need to mention that 58% of consumers in the US check their email the first thing in the morning, a large number by any standard to target. Many people prefer checking their email first thing in the morning rather than social media. And despite a significant rise in social media platforms, at least 73% of millennials still prefer receiving business communications through email. For this reason, giving up in email marketing is missing a business opportunity that is quite significant. ROI of email marketing. Email generates $38 for every $1 spent, according to email marketing statistics. This is a 3,800% return on investment. Hence, email marketing campaigns are more effective compared to social media marketing. Statistics show nearly 60% of consumers at one time have bought products on getting a promotional email. You can compare this figure with 12.5% of consumers who would consider a purchase based on social media promotional messages. So why is it that email marketing ROI is much higher? It goes down to the consumer expectations. Essentially, consumers expect promotional emails to find deals and discounts. Consequently, most customers expect more content and entertainment on social media platforms. Also, customers are not in social media for brand promotion. Hence, it should not be a surprise why B2B and B2C marketers continue to increase their email marketing investment. Practices that will be dying soon in email marketing. Email marketing is not dead, but the spammy email marketing practices could be. Customers can be lost through poor email etiquette, which can easily be flagged as a spam sender. Thus, ensure to avoid those ineffective and ill-mannered email marketing tactics, subject lines, and content that is not personalized. Email personalization is not new because it's used widely by most businesses and customers expect it even in cold emails. Ideally, customers want to have a feeling of being understood, known, and appreciated. Failure to do that can cause poor results in email campaigns. Again, the addition of the first name to the subject line boosts your email open rates by about 20%. Personalization also reduces the unsubscribe rates and spam reports. Therefore, failure to personalize emails means you won't get the most out of the marketing channel. Mobile unfriendly. Nearly 46% of all emails open are done on mobile. Hence, failure to format your emails for mobile devices means you turn off quite a significant number of subscribers. Litmus reported in June 2018 that 46% of all email opens were attributed to mobile users. You have to capture the attention of your readers in a few seconds, and if your email takes longer than that to load, then an opportunity is lost. Consumers are never static and expect that businesses will provide fast and pleasant mobile experiences, including email and website. Not following the GDPR guidelines. The strictest privacy protection rules can be considered the EU's General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR guidelines. The main aim of GDPR is to protect consumers' data online and their privacy. Rules would apply to you if you have to sell consumers within the EU, even when your business is located in another country. The GDPR provides two primary email marketing regulations. The individual you want to email must provide consent that they want to receive emails from you. The individual should be an existing customer who has made a purchase, or you have provided the individual an easy way of opting out of your communication on email. The best practice is to use double opt-in email forms and ensure that all the email templates have an unsubscribe button that can be found easily. Double opt-in means your subscribers submit an opt-in form and further receive an email confirmation to confirm their consent to receive your email communications. Email Marketing Tools provides you with the option of creating a double opt-in email built in already. These best practices helps you avoid large fines, prevent landing in spam, and build trust and establish goodwill with your subscribers. Ultimately, you should demonstrate that you have respect for customer privacy. Ignoring and not following through the email performance metrics. Just like any other marketing channel, email bears certain best practices and benchmarks, but ultimately your subscribers and customers make the final judgment. When you send an email campaign, it provides you an opportunity to learn more about what your customers prefer. Your email preference metrics ensure you can monitor customer retention and engagement, but your data may not benefit you if you do not make use of it. By studying your metrics, you know what works and does not work for you. And as you implement changes, there is a need to continue pointing out some of the finer detail in your best tactics. The key of your email marketing strategy is A/B testing. It can be useful in testing subject lines, imagery, and even email content and call to action. Failure to study your data or perform comparative tests means your email marketing results could hit a ceiling. Hence, you cannot grow together with your customers. Unattractive design of templates. Consumers are highly influenced by design and visuals. Statistics have shown 94% of consumers will not bother with poorly designed websites. You can now imagine how many people will ignore an email that is not appealing visually. Content marketing is more than just written content. Customers are quickly confused and turned off by haphazard layouts and graphics with low resolution. You need to consider that many companies are sending visually appealing emails. Hence, you may not afford to skimp on imagery and design. If at all, you will invest in email. Failure to adopt with ever-changing landscape of email marketing will only make you miserable in the game. Evolve to live. This is where Rebato is here for you. To help you run effective cold emails, choose from hundreds of cold email templates. Add unlimited SMTPs and get you unlimited leads.